W-4, How to use TaxCaster's W-4 Calculator 2024. The TaxCaster's W-4 Calculator 2024 is a tool designed to help you determine the correct amount of federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. Here's a detailed explanation of how it works. Purpose: accurate withholding. The calculator helps you accurately estimate your federal income tax withholding to avoid having too much or too little tax withheld from your paycheck. Refund estimation. It also provides an estimate of your potential tax refund or amount owed when you file your tax return. How to use. 1. Gather documentation. Collect your pay stubs, last year's tax return, and any information on additional income, example side jobs, investments. 2. Enter information. Follow the prompts to enter your income, deductions, and other relevant information into the calculator. 3. Calculate withholding. The calculator will use the information you provide to estimate the appropriate amount of tax to withhold from your paycheck. 4. Adjust W-4. Based on the calculator's results, you can adjust your W-4 form to ensure the correct amount of tax is withheld. Benefits: avoid penalties. By accurately withholding the right amount of tax, you can avoid underpayment penalties. Optimize take-home pay. Adjusting your withholding can help you maximize your take-home pay while ensuring you don't owe a large amount at tax time. Stay updated. It's recommended to check your withholding annually or when you experience major life changes, example marriage, new job, having children.